Hello, Sojourners. Did you know that a backyard garden can do more than just provide fresh fruits and vegetables? What are some of the benefits you get from backyard gardening other than food? Add your answers in the comment section below. In this video, we'll explore the amazing benefits of having a backyard garden, from improving your health and saving money to boosting your mood and helping the environment. So, whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, you'll discover surprising reasons why gardening is one of the best hobbies you can ever take up. Stay tuned, Sojourners. Welcome back to my channel, Sojourners. This is your girl, Glitzy G's. Stay tuned. Now, grab your coffee or a bag of popcorn and let's dive into some benefits. Gardening symbolizes many things, including love, growth, maturity, and a connection to nature. It can be our little getaway sanctuary from the excitement and chaos of everyday life. The practice of growing one's own food offers a variety of health benefits, ranging from improved nutrition and physical activity to mental well being and environmental advantages. As more people become aware of the importance of sustainable living, the trend of cultivating homegrown food is gaining momentum. Do you realize that, Sojourners? Well, we all know that health is wealth, meaning that a person's physical health and mental well being are their most valuable assets. It is more important than material possessions or money because with good health, you can live a productive life. Even if you have a lot of money, you cannot fully enjoy it without good health. Let's explore the diverse ways in which homegrown food contributes to better health and overall well being. Now, we are going to look at health benefits of homegrown food. Homegrown food improves nutrition. Do you believe that, Sojourners? I believe that the path to a healthier lifestyle begins in our own backyard garden because homegrown food is often more nutritious than store-bought produce. There is no preservative added to it and less persons touch it. Growing our own food encourages healthy eating habits by making fresh produce readily available. When we have access to a variety of homegrown fruits and vegetables, we are more likely to incorporate them into our meals, leading to a balanced and nutritious diet. When we grow our own fruits and vegetables, we have control over the cultivation process. This means we can avoid harmful pesticides and chemicals, ensuring that our food is organic and free from toxins. Freshly harvested produce also retains more nutrients compared to store-bought items that may have been transported over long distances and stored for extended periods. Homegrown food is rich in vitamins and minerals. Homegrown fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. For instance, freshly picked tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and lycopene, while leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are excellent sources of iron and calcium. Consuming a variety of homegrown produce ensures a well-rounded intake of nutrients that support overall health. Homegrown foods contain higher antioxidant levels. Studies have shown that homegrown produce tends to have higher levels of antioxidants compared to commercially grown counterparts. Antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. By consuming homegrown food, we can boost our antioxidant intake and improve our long-term health. Homegrown food boosts physical activity. Gardening is a great way to incorporate physical activity into our daily routine. From planting seeds to weeding and harvesting, the various tasks involved in maintaining a garden require physical effort. This not only helps in burning calories, but also strengthens muscles and improves flexibility. Backyard gardening provides exercise for all ages. Gardening is an inclusive activity that individuals of all ages can enjoy. Children, adults, and seniors, like myself, can all benefit from the physical exercise gardening provides. For older adults, gardening can be a gentle yet effective way to stay active and maintain mobility. The second benefit we are going to look at is how backyard gardening relieves stress and boosts our mental well-being. Sojourners, engaging in gardening has been known to reduce stress and promote mental well-being. The act of nurturing plants and being in nature can have a calming effect on the mind. Gardening also provides a sense of accomplishment and purpose, which can improve mood and our overall health. Gardening engages all senses, and as we move through our garden, we exercise these senses. Some of our senses even get excited as we observe the colors of the plants, the butterflies, the birds, the bugs, etc. in the garden. We really can't avoid smelling the fragrance from some plants and listening to the sounds of the wind and the birds. This combination provides us with gentle, relaxing, healing energy. Okay, Sojourners, the third benefit is how we can save money by growing our own produce. Growing our own food can lead to significant economic savings. I know you'll agree with that. The initial investment in seeds, soil, and gardening tools is relatively low compared to the cost of purchasing organic produce from stores. Over time, the savings from growing our own fruits and vegetables can add up, making it a cost-effective way to eat healthy. By supplementing our diet with homegrown produce, we can reduce our dependence on store-bought fruits and vegetables. This will eventually lead to lower grocery bills and more financial flexibility for other household needs. When we grow our own food, there will always be a reduction in food waste. So, we are more likely to use what we harvest, thereby reducing food waste. Any excess produce can be preserved through methods such as canning, freezing, or drying, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. Then whatever cannot be consumed will go into our compost. The fourth benefit is how we create a sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. Sojourners, did you know backyard gardening has some environmental benefits? Yes, it does, especially organic gardening. Growing our own food contributes to a healthier environment. Backyard garden reduce the need for transportation and packaging. This lowers the carbon footprint associated with food production and distribution. It also creates a sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. In most instances, homegrown food is often cultivated using sustainable practices which can improve soil health and biodiversity. It promotes biodiversity by providing habitats for various pollinators and beneficial insects. By planting a diverse range of crops, you can attract bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, which play a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. The fifth benefit is how backyard gardening improves learning and skill development. Gardening is a valuable skill that can be passed down through generations. It provides an opportunity to learn about plant biology, soil health, and sustainable practices. This knowledge can empower individuals to make informed choices about their food and contribute to a more self-sufficient lifestyle. Benefit is how backyard gardening improves learning and skill development. Gardening is a valuable skill that can be passed down through generations. It provides an opportunity to learn about plant biology, soil health, and sustainable practices. This knowledge can empower individuals to make informed choices about their food and contribute to a more self-sufficient lifestyle. Now, the sixth benefit is how backyard gardening provides community and social engagement. Home gardening can also foster a sense of community and social connection. This is exactly what we're doing here on YouTube and other social media platforms, supporting each other. Isn't that true, Sojourners? Sharing surplus produce with neighbors, participating in community gardening, and exchanging gardening tips can create a supportive network of like-minded individuals. The seventh benefit is how gardening helps us build stronger communities. Community gardening and urban farming initiatives bring people together and create opportunities for social interaction. These spaces can serve as gathering points for educational workshops, events, and collaborations that strengthen the social fabric of neighborhoods. Growing our own food encourages healthy eating habits by making fresh produce readily available. When we have access to a variety of homegrown fruits and vegetables, we are more likely to incorporate them into our meals, leading to a balanced and nutritious diet. For the eighth and last benefit, we are going to look at the flower garden. Okay? Now, some of us may grow flowers instead of fruits and vegetables, but we still benefit from planting flowers. Okay? Planting flowers in our outdoor space enhances the aesthetic appeal. It attracts pollinators, it supports a healthy ecosystem, and promotes biodiversity. It improves mental health, reduces stress, and creates a welcoming environment for us and our guests to enjoy. Flowers make a good ground cover by enriching the soil and preventing weeds from overtaking the garden. So, Sojourners, in summarizing all that I've said, we can safely say that the benefits of homegrown food are multifaceted, encompassing improved nutrition, physical activity, mental well being, environmental sustainability, economic savings, and community building. By cultivating our own garden, we not only enhance our health, but we also contribute to a healthier planet and a more resilient community. Embracing homegrown food is a step towards a healthier and more sustainable lifestyle. Sojourners, I want you to think on these things. And if you haven't started a backyard garden yet, go ahead and start one now. Even if it is in containers on your porch or balcony or deck, it is worth it. Sojourners, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for your continued support. Don't forget to like and comment your favorite gardening tips in the comment section. And for those who are here for the first time, please subscribe before you leave